So this is the lab setup required for Veeam Backup, a minimum lab setup requirement. You need to have a one physical server, and you have to install on top of it, you have to install Veeam Backup and Replication. That's the one. Also, you need to have a one more host, one physical server. You need to install VMware ESXi server, and you need third again, you need one more physical server, and you need to install VMware ESXi host as a first host and second host. On the first host, you need to install virtual machine. It could be Windows 10 or operating system is maybe Server 2012. Apart from that, you need to have a storage. You can store into this particular system as well as locally, or you can store into the different system or a network storage. Apart from that, you need a networking switch which make connectivity possible between all of them. So that's the lab setup, lab requirements. Let me show you how I am dealing with that, what I have in the name of lab. So I'll be having a one laptop. Okay, and the configuration for this laptop is i7 CPU, and I'm using 12 GB RAM, and I'm using SSD hard drive, hard disk drive. So how I am dealing on top of my laptop, I'm using Windows 10. This is a on Windows 10. I'm using this operating system. I'm using VMware Workstation, and this is VMware Workstation is a it is actually a type 2 hypervisor. On this VMware Workstation, I have installed ESXi host 1 and ESXi host 2. In ESXi host 1, I have installed virtual machine, that is Windows 10, and on this Windows 10, which is directly installed on my laptop, I have installed Veeam Backup. So that's it. I have a laptop with this configuration. On top of laptop, I have installed Windows 10 plus Veeam Backup and Replication. On top of that, I'm using VMware Workstation, and inside the VM Workstation, I'm using ESXi host 1, ESXi host 2, and also on this Windows 10, I'm using vSphere client. vSphere client. This vSphere client is used to connect to this host 1 and host 2 and install operating system. So let me show you here. This is my VMware Workstation, that is here, VMware Workstation Pro. In this, I have installed ESXi host 1 and ESXi host 2. In this ESXi host 1, I have connected it with vSphere client. This is the host 1, IP is 132. You can see IP is 132 for host 1, and host 2 is 134. So I have connected only this one right now, and If you see there's a Windows 10 installed, and even I can go to the console and verify that Windows 10 has been installed. So this the Windows 10 has been installed. So this is whole a lot my configurations for it. Also I have installed Veeam Backup and Replication. So this is the console. Just click on it and here it is. Home, view, home, inventory, backups, and so on. So we will discuss all of those features, and remember this is version 10, the latest version of Veeam Backup and Replication. Thank you.